Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Job Interview, the M.M. Patel Way. In this part, we are going to see a few indicative interviews. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel. In this interview, we are going to see the responses of a suitable candidate. He is a confident student. He remains confident throughout. He demonstrates thorough knowledge and readiness to perform and take risks. Please tell us something about yourself. My name is Ramesh Jain. My father is branch manager with State Bank and my mother is housewife. I have one brother who is studying in second year of engineering. I completed my schooling in Jalna, securing 85%. I joined junior college at Aurangabad and my score was 91%. I always topped my class. I joined Government Engineering College. The candidate demonstrated his academic performance. What were your childhood ambitions and what are your ambitions today? Sir, during childhood, I wanted to be a doctor. Everyone was talking about it. But when I was in high school, I decided to get into engineering and the candidate remained confident even when interrupted. He demonstrated self-choice of career. Will you explain your career objectives? Sir, let me read my career objectives. I have written only 3 sentences. To work in a company, utilizing the potential fully to satisfy my seniors. To take responsibility and accept challenges in work for self-development. To earn at least ₹50,000 per month in 5 years' time. The first statement is about using my potential to satisfy my seniors. They are going to be my first and immediate customers. Second statement is about my attitude. I'll take responsibility and accept challenges. These 2 words would always guide me to be action and result oriented. Third statement is about my earning. The direct measurement of my success in career is my earning. The candidate demonstrated his preparedness to give the best output. He also demonstrated preparedness to accept challenges. He demonstrated clarity of personal goals and thought and expression clarity. Let us come to your academics now. How many subjects you studied in last semester? Sir, we had 5 papers. 1. Machine design. 2. Thermodynamics. 3. Strength of material. 4. Production systems. And 5. Principles and practice of management. I studied principles of management in depth. The candidate made confident and clear communication. You have 2 choices. First, you tell us your subject and topic of your interest. We will ask questions related to that topic. Second, we ask you the question which we like. What is your choice? Sir, I would like to take a risk. I will go for the second choice. The candidate demonstrated presence of mind and risk-taking attitude. Good. You are going to be a mechanical engineer. You must have studied electrical engineering fundamentals. I give you 3 pencil batteries of 1.5 volts each. In how many ways you can connect them? There are basic 2 ways. One is in series. The output will be 4.5 volts. The other one is in parallel. The output will be 1.5 volts. we can have combination of both methods and get a voltage of 3. Should I draw the diagram to show connections? The candidate showed analytical thinking and analytical communication. He also showed in-depth knowledge of allied topics. No, it's okay. Please tell us about geometry of a single point cutting tool. We studied cutting tools in second year. Let me think a bit and make a sketch before I reply. I'll explain with reference to the lathe tool. There are two basic functions of a cutting tool. First, to penetrate into the material to be cut, we call it rack angle. The candidate demonstrated confidence and his ability to reflect. He also demonstrated his analytical communication. The principle is, softer the material, larger is the angle. Even it can be negative for very hard material or hard material with uneven surface. The rack angle can be in two directions, perpendicular to the material removal and parallel to it. The other angle is clearance angle. This is required so that the material do not interfere with the tool except the cutting edge. Again, the clearance could be front and side. The candidate demonstrated good memory and thorough technical knowledge. If you are made head of manufacturing company making losses, what will you do? Frankly speaking, I am not in a position to give a professional answer. I'll use my common sense. I'll take actions like: the candidate managed himself with confidence. Study the market and take actions to develop new market. Study the possibility of product diversification using same facilities. Study possibility of cutting cost including manpower. Study the possibility of improvement in productivity. Study the possibility of giving capacity on rent to generate cash. Study and interact with existing customers for support. Motivating and involving employees for reducing cost and improving markets. The candidate demonstrated his understanding of business environment. The candidate demonstrated possibility thinking and practical managerial thinking. Name 5 attributes of a leader. How would you rate yourself as a leader? The 5 qualities are: he should have a vision of the future. He should be competent technically. He should be team builder and people motivator. He should be bold in decision making. He should have character beyond question to earn natural respect. The candidate demonstrated his intellectual capabilities. As far as I am concerned, today I would not score more than 20% overall. However, I am learning and have enthusiasm to move and achieve. My integrity has never been questioned. In a span of about 10 years or so, I would have developed myself to take a leadership position. The candidate demonstrated self-awareness and his willingness to admit. He also demonstrated clarity of his future roles and competence. Do you track stock exchange? Not every day actively, but I know how one can invest in share, mutual funds, commodities, gold, etc. Once I start earning, maybe I'll start investing in mutual funds. The candidate demonstrated business awareness. What about the performance of our company at stock market? Sir, you are a listed company. Your rupees 10 share is being traded at around 250 these days. If I take 1 year period, the lowest was about 150 and highest about 280. The candidate showed his attitude to plan before taking action. From where did you get these details? I got it from Business Standard. I can get it from your company's site or other business sites. The candidate demonstrated managerial resourcefulness. What is your hobby? My hobby is sketching and painting geometrically drawn figures. I started painting when I was in high school under guidance of my uncle. After joining engineering, I limited my work to geometrical figures. Last year during summer vacation, I created posters for a newly opened local hotel of my friend. I got inquiries from some other offices. This vacation, I'll be painting for 2 offices. The candidate talked about output-oriented hobby. He also demonstrated his willingness to manage time and working. Would you like to ask something to us? Yes, sir. 1. I would like to develop in the area of training. I am also keen on working in multifunctions. I'll certainly work extra hours and with full devotion. Do you encourage such employees? The candidate demonstrated willingness for self-development. He also demonstrated professional thought clarity. Oh yes, why not? Thanks a lot, sir. Okay. Thanks again. Good day, sir. The candidate demonstrated professional etiquettes. The candidate showed depth of knowledge in academic front. He could also show his varied business interest. He demonstrated good career planning for future and absolute thought clarity. He demonstrated his maturity and professional thinking. Overall, a suitable candidate. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel.